Looking for easy-to-care houseplants for beginners? Immerse yourself in the rewarding and therapeutic world of indoor gardening. Not only do houseplants enhance your living space, but they also purify the air. Stay tuned as we unveil 5 of the easiest houseplants to care for. First on our list is the resilient snake plant. This plant purifies your air while requiring very little water. It thrives best in indirect sunlight and only needs watering occasionally. With its striking and unique appearance, the snake plant adds a touch of nature's beauty to any room. Next up, the hardy and glossy ZZ plant. This plant is a breeze to care for, thriving even in low light and with infrequent watering. It's also resistant to most pests. The ZZ plant is a true gem, offering both aesthetic appeal and low maintenance. Third on our list, the delightful spider plant. This adaptable houseplant thrives in well-drained soil and indirect sunlight. Its unique ability to produce baby plants or spiderettes makes it a fun, easy care addition to any home. The spider plant is a fun and easy care addition to any home. Fourth on our list, the versatile pothos. This adaptable plant is known for its resilience, thriving in various lighting conditions. Remarkably, it can grow in both water and soil. The pothos is an excellent choice for those looking for a fuss-free, trailing houseplant. Last but not least, the elegant peace lily. This charming beauty thrives in medium to low light and prefers moist soil. Not just a pretty face, the peace lily also purifies your air. With its beautiful white blooms, the peace lily adds a touch of elegance to any space. So, there you have it, 5 easy-to-care houseplants perfect for beginners. We've explored the robust snake plant, the resilient ZZ plant, the adaptable spider plant, the versatile pothos, and the graceful peace lily. Each one brings not only a touch of nature into your home, but also boasts its own unique benefits, from air purification to low light tolerance. So whether you're a seasoned green thumb or just starting your plant journey, these 5 selections offer a great starting point. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more plant care tips and tricks. Happy planting!